Hey guys, I'm back and I have a little tip for you today. As you can see in front of you, I am showing you my Inspire 1 Pro with the X5R camera. This tip is for anybody that has Inspire or any drone. Now, as you can tell, it's not balanced. You know, it's heavy. So what you can do, well, let me show you how it is when it turns on. Now, normally, when it turns on, it's going to stabilize, right? But see how it's not balanced? The motor is working a little bit over time. Yeah, a lot of people say, oh, it's fine, it's not going to break. But this can affect your performance and your stabilization when it's in the air. See, it's working fine right now, alright? But when you take it, turn it off, see, it goes down. So, what can you do to balance it? Well, balance it to go this, like balance the top. See, I got these weights on Amazon. I will post a description below where you can buy it. This works for anything. I think you can do this for any drone that has any issues with tilting or any gimbal. Alright, so what I'm going to do, take it out of the package. I'm going to cut it in, quick take. Okay, I got the weight off the package. Here it is. I'm using one of these. Now I'm going to attach it right here with some little stick on. Now this is strong, so it's not going to fall off. This is not going to fall off when it's in the air. Hold on. Let me take a cut jump. Now you can see I put the double-sided sticky. I'm going to put it right about in the middle. That's about it. Push it firmly tight. Not too much. Now look at this. See right there? This is back heavy. I think I have to take off because I have a lens right there. A ND filter, so it's a little bit. It needs to be more to go like that. But look, see? See, it really is balanced. Look, see? Watch. It's not going to side, except the lens. Watch. Look what happens when I turn it on. See, it's not going to work that back motor overtime to balance it. I think that'll fix the horizon issues I get. See, there you go. Now look when I turn it off. Look at that. That is perfect. Well, not perfect, but it's good. It's a start. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Push that little icon for the bell. And see you soon.